Welcome back for a new math lesson. Today we're going to talk about subtracting three-digit numbers with regrouping. Last week we talked about subtracting two-digit numbers with regrouping. So today we will continue and talking about three-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, so open your book with me at page 17. Let's take an example. This is a four-digit number. So today also we will discuss subtracting four-digit numbers. Okay, two-digit numbers, three-digit numbers, and four-digit numbers, all these are the same. So for example, if we take this 5,093 minus 2,684. As you can see, the first thing we should line up the digits. Look, the ones and the tens, hundreds, and thousands, and always start subtracting from the ones, as you can see, from the ones. So we cannot take 4 minus 3, as you can see. We cannot take 4 from 3. So then we should move to the next digit and take 1 from it. We have 9. If we take 1 from the 9, it will be 8. Okay? And then put 1 inside the 3, it will be 13. Then go ahead and subtract 13 minus 4, like this. 13 minus 4 is equal 9. And put it. Then move to the tens place, which is 8 minus 8 equals 0. The hundreds place, we cannot take 6 from 0. Then we will move to the next digit, which is 5, and take 1 from the 5. It will be 4. Then put 1 here beside the 0. It will be 10. Then go ahead and subtract the tens. The hundreds. 10 minus 6 is excellent, which is 4, and put it here, down there. And go ahead and subtract the thousands place, which is 4 minus 2 equals 2. Okay, so this is the answer or the difference. The answer or the difference. As you can see, so the answer is 2,409. 2,409. Let's take another example. For example, if we have 4,816 minus 235. As you can see, the digits are lined up like this. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. As you can see, there is no thousands place here. And we should start subtracting from the ones place, then the tens, then the hundreds, then the thousands. Okay? First, we will start from the ones place, which is 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, when we move to the 10th place, 1 minus 3, it is not possible, right? Because we cannot take 3 from the 1. What we should do, let's move to the hundreds place and borrow from it. Okay, now we borrow 1 from the 8. It will be 7, because 8 minus 1 is 7, and put 1 beside the 1, it will be 11. Then go ahead and subtract 11 minus 3, which is equal, excellent, 8. Good job. Then go ahead and subtract the hundreds place. 7 minus 2 is 5. And look, here it will be 0, right? So 4 minus 0 is, good job, 4. Excellent. So this is how we subtract four-digit numbers or three-digit numbers. Okay, the same concept with regrouping. Again, regrouping means borrowing. Got it? Excellent. Okay, now after understanding the concept of how subtracting three or four-digit numbers, and now we will move again to page 17. As you can see, the title is Subtracting Three-Digit Numbers with Regrouping. Okay, I will solve these three questions for you, so listen to me. Okay, For example, if you have 214 minus 146, the first step, line up the digits. Then start subtracting from the ones place. Okay, so this is the ones place. 4 minus 6, we cannot do it because we cannot take away 6 from 4. Okay, what we should do, let's move to the next digit and take 1 or borrow 1 from it. Borrow is regrouping, okay? So regrouping the same as borrowing. So when we take 1 from 1, it will become 0, right? Then put 1 beside the 4, it will be 14. Then go ahead and subtract the 1s. 14 minus 6 is, good job, 8. Excellent. Then move to the tens place. 0 minus 4, we cannot do it because we cannot take away 4 from 0. Then we will move to the next digit and take 1 from the 2. 2, it will become 1 because 2 minus 1 is 1. And the 0 become 10 because just put here 1 beside the 0, it will become 10. And go ahead and subtract the tens. 10 minus 4 is, good job, 6. Then we will subtract the hundreds place, or the numbers in the hundreds place, which is minus 1 minus 1, which is 0. So this is the answer, or the difference, as we mentioned before last week. The difference or the answer is 68. Okay. Now, we will learn how to check if our answer is correct or not. How to check, as we mentioned last week, we should add these two numbers together. I'm going to go ahead and put them here. So, put 146 plus 68. So, we should add these two numbers together. Okay, 6 plus 8, 14. So, put 1 over, carry 1 over the 4, and then I will add the tens place. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, put 1 and carry 1 over the hundreds. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 214. It should be this number. So our answer is super correct. So this is how we check if our answer is correct or not. Okay, let's move to the next example. Yes, can you read this number? Good job. 125 minus 99. Okay, again, start subtracting from the ones place. 5 minus 9. It is not possible. We cannot do it because we cannot take away 9 from 5. So what we should do, move to the next digit and take 1 from the 2. Look, this is 2. Take 1 from it. It will become 1. Then put 1 beside the ones place. 5 becomes 15. And go ahead and subtract the ones place. 15 minus 9, which is excellent, 6. Then I will go ahead and subtract the tens place. Here's 1. 1 minus 9, again we cannot do it because we cannot take away 9 from 1. So we will move to the hundreds place and take 1 from the 1. So it will be 0. And put 1 beside the 1 here, it will be 11. And now we can take away 9 from the 11. Yes, because 11 minus 9 is excellent, 2. And 0 here. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0. So the answer or the difference is 26. 26. So how are we going to check our answer? Here's the jar for checking our answer is if it is correct or not. Okay, as I mentioned before, we should add this number to this number. Okay, I will take 99 plus 26. Okay, I will put it here. And I'm going to go ahead and adding them together. So 9 plus 6 is excellent, 15. I will carry 1 over the 9. Then add the tens place. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 125. This is the answer. It should be this number. So our answer is correct. Okay, the third example. Okay, can you read this, please? Good job. 733 minus, excellent, 365. Okay, again, 3 minus 5, we cannot do it. We cannot take away 5 from 3. Go to the tens place and borrow 1 from the 3. It will become 2. And 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Good job. So move to the tens place. 2 minus 6. We cannot do it. Move to the hundreds place and borrow. Borrow means regroup again. Borrow 1 from the 7. It will become 6. And put 1 beside the 2. It will be 12. 12 minus 6 equal 6. Yeah, easy. And move to the hundreds place. 6 minus 3 is, good job, 3. So the answer or the difference is 368. 368. I'm gonna go ahead and check if my answer is correct or not. This is the checking jar. Okay, as I mentioned before, add this number to this number. Look, 365 plus 368, and add them together. Excellent. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer is 733. It will be this, should be this number. Yeah, so yes, it is. So our answer is super correct. So this is how we check if our answer is correct or not. Okay, so this is a subtraction. We check our answer by adding. Now let's move to page 18. The question is, find the difference, then check your answers. So this page 18, is a homework. Again, this page is a homework. Okay, let's move to page 19. Okay, subtracting 4-digit numbers with regrouping, the same concept. It doesn't matter if we have 2 digits or 3 digits or 4 digits. Okay, subtracting is the same if we have any number of digits. Okay, I'm gonna do these 2 problems for you, and these 2 problems or questions are homework. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing this for you. So the question is, find the difference, then check your answers. Okay, so we have 4-digit number here. Can you read it? Excellent. 3,265 minus, can you read it please? Good job. 1,876. We're gonna take away 1,876 from 3,265. As you can see, we should line up the digits, which is an important step. Then start subtracting from the ones place. Yeah, so 5 minus 6 is, we cannot do it. We cannot take away 6 from 5. What we should do, let's go to the tens place and borrow 1 from the 6. Look, we cross out the 6. When we borrow 1 from the 6, it will be 5. And put 1 beside the 5, it will be 15. Then, yes, we can take away 6 from 15. Yes? Good job. We can do it now. Now, 15 minus 6 is Wow, cool, excellent. 9. Then we will move to the tens place, which is 5 minus 7. Can we take away 7 from 5? Absolutely, we cannot do it. So we will move to the hundreds place and borrow 1 from the 2. We cross out the 2, it will be 1. And put 1 beside the 5, it will be 15. Now we can take away 7 from 15. Yes, we can do it. Can you tell me the answer? 15 minus 7 is? Cool, excellent. 8. Good job. Then move to the hundreds place. 2 minus 8. It means we should take away 8 from 2. Tell me, students, can we do it? Excellent, we cannot do it. What we should do? Can you tell me? Wow, super cool, excellent. Move to the thousands place and borrow 1 from the 3. It will become 2 and put 1 beside the 1. It will be, good job, 11. Then take away 8 from 11. It means 11 minus 8 is, good job, 3. Then it's easy to subtract 1 from the 2, which is the thousands place, which is 2 minus 1 is, excellent, 1. So the answer is 1389. So this is the answer or the difference. How we can check if our answer is correct or not? Yes, by add the difference here, the difference which is the answer with this number. Yes, put them here and add them together. 9 plus 6 is 15, and if you do it yourself, it will give you 3,265. Excellent. You can do it yourself. We talked about adding before. So 3,265, here it is. So, is our answers correct or not, students? Good job. It's super correct. Excellent. Let's move to the next question. Can you read it? Yes. Excellent. 6,342 minus 5,998. We should start subtracting from the ones place. 2 minus 8, we cannot do it. Let's borrow 1 from the 4. It will be 3, and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is, excellent, 4. Now 3 minus 9, we cannot do it. Let's borrow 1 from the 3. It will become, good job, 2. The 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9, yeah, it is now possible, and we can do it now, which is 4. Good job. Then move to the hundreds place. 2 minus 9, again, we cannot do it. We cannot take away 9 from 2. What we should do? Move to the thousands place and take 1 from the 6. It will be 5. 2 becomes 12. Now we can do 12 minus 9 is, good job, 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. Good job. So the answer is 344. Okay, now we will check if our answer is correct or not. I will add the difference here with this number. Look, 5,998 plus 344. Can you give me the answer, please? Good job. 6,348. This is the answer. Is our answer correct or not? Yeah, here it is. 6,342. So our answer is correct. Okay. Now I will leave these 2 questions for you to do at your home. These 2 questions, okay, they are homework. What about talking about an example if we have zeros in our numbers? For example, if we take this example, 400 minus 277. Okay? Okay. As you can see, we should start subtracting from the ones place. Okay, as you can see, look, I'm gonna show you the place value houses here. At the ones place here, this is the 0. We don't have any number here. At the tens place, we have here no numbers again. In the hundreds place, we have 400. Look, 100, 200, 300, 400. The place value house helped me to subtract. Okay. We start subtracting from the ones place. Can we take away 7 from 0? We cannot do it. Look at the place value house. There is no numbers here. This is 0, right? 0 ones. Look, then move to the tens place. Can we take anything from the 0? Can you see the place value house? No, there is nothing in the tens place. Then from where we should borrow? Yes, from the 100 place, which is 4. So we cross out the 4 and it will become 3. Look, we will take away 1 from the 4. It will be 3. Excellent. Then we will put 1 beside the 0. It will be 10. How we did it? Look, we take 100 and put it in the tens place, as you can see. So the 0 becomes 10. Look, 10. Sorry, we take 10. Then, can we do it here? No. Look, we take 10 from the ones place, so we borrow 1 from the 10, it will be 9, and the 0 becomes 10. Then we can subtract 10 minus 7 equal 3. Excellent. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Good job. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So the answer is 123. 123. So this is how we subtract if we have zeros in our problem. Let's take another example. If we have 500 minus 195. Start subtracting from the ones place. Look, 0 minus 5. We cannot take away 5 from the 0, right? So we should move to the tens place. Can we take anything from the 0? The 0? No, we cannot. So we will move to the excellent hundreds place. Then move to the hundreds place. Maybe the 5 can help us. Look, we will take away 1 from the 5. It will be 4. As I mentioned before, okay? And put 1 beside the 0. It will become 10. Now, what we should do? Can you tell me? Excellent. We should borrow from the 10. It will be 9. Excellent. Now the 0 becomes 10. Then I'm going to go ahead and subtract 10 minus 5. Excellent. 5. 9 minus 9 is, good job, 0. 4 minus 1 is, excellent, 3. So the answer is 305. 305. Now let's move to page 20. Page 20. Subtracting, regrouping from 0, as I mentioned before. Look, this is the question. Find the difference. Okay, look, I will do these two problems for you, and then you should continue the four questions. Okay, so the first question is, can you read it? Yes, excellent. 6,000 minus, good job, 3,421. Okay, now we line up the digits, then start subtracting from the ones place. Look, 0 minus 1, we cannot do it, we cannot take away from the 0. Let's go to the tens place. Okay, can the 0 give us anything? No. Okay, let's move to the hundreds place. Again, can the 0 give us anything? Okay, absolutely not. So let's move to the thousands place. We have here 6. So we take away 1 from the 6, it will be 5. Excellent. Then put 1 beside the 0, it will be 10. Now the 10 can give us 1, right? Because 10 minus 1 is 9. And put the 1 beside the 0, it will be, good job, 10. Now, can the 10 here give us 1? Yes, it can give us 1. It will be 9. Good job. And put the 1 inside the 0 here, it will be 10. As you can see, now we can take away 1 from 10. 10 minus 1 is, good job, 9. Now 9 minus 2 equals, excellent, 7. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 5 minus 3, good job, 2. So the answer is, can you read it? Excellent, 2,579. 2,579. Let's do the next one. 3,020. Again, I will read it again. 3,020 minus 1,563. Again, line up the digits. Start subtracting from the ones place. Can we take away 3 from 0? No. So again, 0 minus 3, we cannot do it. And let's borrow from the 2. If we take 1 from the 2, it will be 1. And put 1 beside the 0, it will be 10. Now we can subtract 10 minus 3. It means we can take away 3 from the 10, which is, excellent, 7. Then move to the tens place. We have here 1. 1 minus 6. Okay, we cannot do it. We cannot take away 6 from the 1. Let's move to the hundreds place and borrow from it. Oops, we have 0. Can we take 1 from 0? No, because 0 don't have anything. So let's go to the thousands place. Yes, 3 can give us 1. So when 3 minus 1 is 2, then put 1 beside the 0. It will be, excellent, 10. Can the 10 give us 1 now? Yes, it can give us. So it will be 9. Then put 1 beside the 1 here. It will be, good job, 11. Now can we take 6 from the 11? Yes, it will give us, good job, 5. Now subtract the hundreds place. 9 minus 5 equal, easy, 4. 2 minus 2 equals 1. So the answer is, can you read it? Excellent, 1,457. And as I mentioned before, these 4 questions are homework. Also, the page 21 is a homework as an assessment. Look, I will put marks on this homework. This homework is as an assessment. Okay, page 21. Also, The next page, which is page 22, also a homework as an assessment. Again, page 21 is a homework, and page 22 is a homework as an assessment for this week. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video and understand the subtraction, and see you next week, inshallah.